Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Knights, 𝐏𝐲 Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, 𝐉𝐈𝐊𝐿𝐿, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝐿𝐵𝐴𝐿 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. Dito na po tayo sa pinakahuling laro po ngayong hapon na ito for our first ever season of Oragon Volleyball League. It will be the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the Tigers Volleyball Team. Kasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Alcanzar-Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta.
Yan talagang aabangan natin team dito ang bakbakan between these two great teams, the Ateneo Volleyball Team and the NCF Tigers Team. We know na itong dalawang ito talagang nagkakaharap na ito sa iba't ibang commercial league dito sa ating region, and I'm sure hindi na bago ang mukha ng mga players dito sa both teams. Pero this time, makikita natin dito yung new faces on the side of Ateneo team because according to their head coach on the Sportify interview, talagang meron silang mga bagong players dito at maraming seniors na nawala. So let's see kung mag-step up ba dito ang kanilang kupunan, or will the NCF Tigers makakakuha ng magandang advantage at makakakuha ng unang panalo dito sa ating ligang ito.
Kaya naman para mapakinggan natin kung ano bang preparation ng NCF Tigers para sa larong ito against Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita natin dyan? Babalikan po natin mamaya ang ating courtside reporter dito sa side ng Tigers Volleyball Team. Kaya naman, aasahan po natin na isang magandang laban na naman po ang ating mapapanood ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya naman, watch out lang sa ating mga Facebook pages and YouTube channel para sa ating laban ngayong hapon na ito. At babalikan na nga po natin ang ating courtside reporter from the side of Tigers Volleyball Team. We have Dylan. Hi Dylan, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. For today's last matchup, expect to see some high-octane action on the floor as both teams battle it out for supremacy. Ateneo Men's Volleyball versus Tigers Men's Volleyball. The Tigers are known for their strong defense, powerful offense, and wise strategy on their hard court. Now, makakasama natin live our very own coach, Coach 𝐴𝐍𝐿. So, magandang araw, Coach. So, Coach, ano ba yung new style or new atake ng ng Tigers Volleyball Team ngayong first season?
Good afternoon, Miss Dylan, and good afternoon to our live viewers. Siguro yung new sa team namin, as to the composition of the team, we are composed mostly of mga bata. Kasi yun yung gusto namin na sistemang ipasok ngayong taon is mas ma-expose yung mga bata na players namin, yung mga grassroots ng team.
So Coach, ano ba yung major advice or major mindset ng team, especially kapag nasa loob sila ng hardcourt?
Ang pinaka-advice lang namin as coach is to really give their best and also consider every game as their championship game. Ilabas lang nila kung ano yung kailangan nilang ilabas kasi kaming mga coaches nasa gilid lang kami, willing to guide for them.
Thank you so much, Coach, and good luck for today's matchup. From the home of the champions, the Tigers Men's Volleyball Team are eager to be on top of this league, ready to show us what it takes to be a Tiger and a champion. Tutukan ang sagupan ng galing at talino dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Ayan, thank you so much for that interview and update on the side of NCF Tigers. So yun nga, nabanggit dito ng assistant coach on the side of NCF Tigers na talagang sinabak nila dito din yung mga baguhan nilang players, yung mga bata nilang players because their team composition is
Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Knights, 𝐏𝐲 Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, 𝐉𝐈𝐊𝐿𝐿, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, 𝐲𝐿𝐵𝐴𝐿 Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services.
And now, we are seeing our first set of Tigers and Ateneo here. Now, Ateneo getting that point. Sabi nga dito ni Rick kanina, new faces on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. At iba din yung kanilang atake sa larong ito against Tigers volleyball team. Kaya inaasahan natin, this will be an exciting one. Talagang first game ng dalawang kupunan, sila yung magtatapat ngayong araw na to.
And syempre, babawi din dito team ang side ng NCF Tigers with that beautiful attack in the middle on the side of their team. And now, jersey number 9, the side of the Ateneo volleyball team. Let's call our courtside reporter, Alyssa. Hi, Alyssa. Anong update natin dyan?
Hi, Rick. Afternoon once again, Bicolandia. The Ateneo men's volleyball are now ready to soar high and showcase the strength of a night here in the first season of the Oragon Volleyball League. And of course, this successful team won't be possible without the strong foundation. Here with me right now is the assistant coach of the Ateneo men's volleyball team, Miss Ara. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. Since this is the first day of Oragon Volleyball League, share to us naman po kung ano yung mga preparations niyo for this season.
So, we Ateneo were known for being an excellence and academically, but we only not do that for this. We also have prepared for this since July, and you have to expect more, not just excellence, but a different one, a united one, because Ateneo is not only for academic and excellence. We also aim to excel in different aspects, like and united as one big fight. Thank you.
Ma'am, since this is the first season nga po, and you said that Ateneo is not just known for its academics and also excellence, what can we expect from the men's volleyball team naman po for this season?
You would expect a different one, a very united, as we have built a new and improved. We aim for improvements and other things also.
Ma'am, you have the floor to invite the Ateneo community to watch and support the team this season.
We invite you to watch here live in Oragon and support us Ateneo Golden Knights.
Thank you po, ma'am, and best of luck. So get ready for a thrilling game only here in GNN 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga yung preparation ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights dito. And as we can see right now, that's a good start for the team. Dahil 4 na puntos po agad ang kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Look at that. What a good start for their team. Dahil nga nasabi dito ni Coach Bilbao, Assistant Coach Bilbao on the side of NCF Tigers, new faces yung kanilang ilalaban dito. Mga bata para mas ma-expose sa isang malaking competition. And seeing right now, there's a lot of errors on the side of NCF Tigers, but still they're fighting more dito sa kanilang koponan. So let's see if they will lessen that error, because look at that. Ateneo Golden Knights, jersey number 8 to 7. That's a powerful attack. Now, hindi natin to nakita sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights during their fight sa season, magkailang season ng Bukal.
Yes.
This is a very different taste of Ateneo Golden Knights, and we're really happy to see this kind of game from them.
A brand new team, brand new faces on the side of their team. Very strong para dito. Strong start on the side of their team. Nakikita natin dito na talagang the communication is there, the power is there. Let's see more on the side of their team, but this time, NCF Tigers getting a point on that cross-court hit coming from Rosales. So let's see kung magkakaroon na dito ng magandang point conversion ng side ng NCF, because again, Ateneo talagang mainit dito sa loob ng hard court. Now, Ateneo on the attack. Cabral, unsuccessful by pa rin ang bola. Rosales straight to the net attack. So point will go on the side of the Ateneo volleyball team.
Now, 11-6 on our scoreboard. And Ateneo still looking good for this first set. Now, jersey number 8. Grabe yung mga blockers dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. One more time for them. Getting that point, and we can see the fans of Ateneo Golden Knights happy para sa sunod-sunod na puntos ng Golden Knights. And at this moment, with this 6-point gap of Ateneo, this should be a wake-up call for Tigers. And just like that, Rosales with that big attack there. Let's take a look one more time as Rosales gets in. I think need to lessen that error. Jersey number 8. Soft touch para dito sa Ateneo. One more time.
Again, Tin Rosales, same spot and same result para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. So, napapansin natin dito na binibigay o pinoporsyentan dito ang kanilang spiker na si Rosales. So, let's see kung mababantayan ba dito ng Ateneo ang atake on the side of NCF. And on that last sequence, service ace ang papakawalan ng kanilang kupunan. That's why 9-12 ang ating scoreboard.
Ito na, unti-unti nang bumabawi yung Tigers men's volleyball.
And Ciso with that serve in the middle. Andun yung libero on the side of Tigers. One more time for Rosales, and this time, yun na nga ang sinabi ko, nabantayan na dito yung cross-court hit ni Rosales on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, jersey number 9, Sain. Pero that will be an error. Very crucial one dahil kung mapapanood natin yung mga naunang laro natin dito, natapos yung laro natin by third set. So now, let's see kung ganun din yung mangyayari dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights and Tigers men's volleyball. Rosales serving. Bibigay dito kay jersey number 4. And he gets it.
Baluyot on that down the line hit. So another point on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. 14 serving 10 is our score, and on your screen we have Cabral to serve. One more time for Cabral. Great serve. And a great rejection at the net on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. Wow, very strong start on the side of their team. Offense, defense, talagang kitang-kita natin yung effort and kagustuhang manalo nitong Ateneo volleyball team. Now Cabral serving that one. Pamplona at the back and catching the end line. So great side out para naman dito sa kabilang kupunan. Now, jersey number 15, Pardinas, ready now to serve. Baluyot. Touching the net. So automatically, puntos para dito sa NCF Tigers.
(15-12) now. 3 puntos na lamang po hinahabol dito ng Tigers men's volleyball team. Quick attack para dito kay jersey number 10, Gonzaga. Naitawid nga dyan. Still the momentum ay nasa side ng Ateneo. Ang jersey number 4. baluyot.
Pamplona, pipe attack. Successful para dito sa NCF Tigers. Yun yung hinahanap dito on the side of NCF Tigers. Those strong, powerful attacks coming from their opposite. Babawi dito ang Ateneo. And coming from that scramble play, makakakuha pa rin dito ng puntos itong NCF Tigers. Broken defense para dito sa side ng Ateneo. Setting up in the middle. Wow! The connection between Sabater and Gonzaga on that last sequence.
So after that continuous points of Tigers men's volleyball, eto, muling umaarangkada yung Ateneo Golden Knights, 17-14 on our scoreboard. Now let's see. They're just few points away here. Pamplona with that attack.
Free ball will be given on the side of NCF. And a net violation was called on the side of Ateneo, courtesy of jersey number 8, Sabater.
Now, kakailan ng net violation dito on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. They're giving free points sa side ng Tigers men's volleyball team.
Too strong on that serve coming from Blanca. And now, jersey number 6, Luzon, with that service. Ball is still alive. Luzon will set up jersey number 7, Cabral. Heavily guarded by Pamplona. And this time, Pamplona powerful on that attack. So, puntos para sa kanilang kupunan. 16-18 is our score. Pabor po on the side of Ateneo Volleyball team. But NCF slowly but surely catching up on the side of their team.
At nailusot na nga yan sa side ng Ateneo. Cheering for that point. Now they're just 6 points away on getting the first set of the game. Now let's see. Will there be changes here? Or Ateneo? Tuloy-tuloy na yung pagpuntos nila dito. Once again, Pamplona. Strong attack coming from him. Making sure na hindi pa tapos ang laban for Tigers men's volleyball. Now, just a quick shoutout sa mga nanonood po sa atin. Kay Rocky Sibuyo, kay Joshua Arcangel, JC Ganeform, Cabra Kim Emelid, kay Jaron Floyd San Andres, kay Kayla Kasuya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Ngayong hapon na ito, this is the last game for our first Oragon Volleyball League. Now, bagong pasok na si Estrella, serving.
What a sharp serve. Free ball will be given on the side of Tigers volleyball team. And jersey number 4, Malate. Powerful on that cross-court hit. And with that, 1 point na lamang dito ang kalamangang hawak ng Addo. At napatawag na nga sila ng timeout. And look at our instant replay and highlights for this first set.
Kasi kung titignan din natin kanina, malaki yung kalamangan na hawak dito ng Ateneo volleyball team. I think it was 5-point gap against Tigers volleyball team. But now, because of the consistency on the side of Tigers volleyball team, isa na lamang po yung kanilang hinahabol dito. So this is just a close matchup. Katulad nung napanood po natin ng mga naunang laro. Now Australia once again serving.
Another services para dito kay Paul Estrella on the side of Tigers volleyball team. Kakapasok pa lang team pero instant impact on the side of their team. And tying this match, 19 all para dito sa ating set number 1. Again, same man on your screen serving.
Ooh, another service ace coming from Estrella. That's 3 straight points from him. Now, nagbago na po yung ikot ng bola dito. Tigers men's volleyball team ang may hawak na ng isang puntos na kalamangan. Estrella once again. But this time, service error. A big help para dito sa Ateneo para habulin ng puntos.
And now jersey number 9, Sain to serve. Estrella setting up Malate. The connection is on point on that last sequence, targeting that end line on the side of Ateneo. 21-20 is our score. Pamplona to serve. Belhica receiving that one with the hang time. Jersey number 10 successfully done on that last attack. Gonzaga.
Another deadlock para dito sa ating first set. 21 all. Jersey number 7 now, Cabral.
Malate will try and Malate will score. 22-21, another close fight para dito sa pagbubukas ng Oragon Volleyball League Season 1. Again on your screen is the matchup between the Tigers Volleyball Team versus the Ateneo Volleyball Team. Jersey number 6. Ball is still alive. Malate with a soft touch. Andon yung setter. Jersey number 4 will try. Denied at the net. One more time for the Ateneo side. Rejected at the net. And now, NCF. 2 more points on securing the set number 1. Meanwhile, Ateneo Volleyball Team, they need to rebuild their momentum na nawala on that early part of this first set. And look at that, those powerful serves, talagang pinapahirapan dito yung depensa on the side of Ateneo. But this time, buhay pa rin din ang bola. Estrella will give up a free ball. Belhica setting up his teammate, but unfortunately, too strong on that hit.
Ayan, because of that combination plays here, set point na lamang o puntos na lamang po para dito sa Tigers men's volleyball team. Talagang bilog yung bola dito. As Ateneo, nakuha nila yung first point nitong ating first set. But right now, it is NCF with this opportunity to snatch the set number 1. And see, these are some of the highlights of our first set here of Tigers and Ateneo men's volleyball team. New set of players at napakaganda ng pinapakita nila dito. Right now, again, this is just a 1 point for Tigers men's volleyball team.
Belhica receives that one and in the middle. Wow! What a great connection. Sabater and jersey number 10, Gonzaga. Powerful quick hit. This is not yet over on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team. 2 points on tying this match. And now, their team is on the deck to serve.
Jersey number 4, Baluyot, serving. Can they extend the set? Number 1. Decline on the net. Another one for Tigers. And another point for Ateneo men's volleyball team. Look at that, 24-23. Dikit na dikit po ang laban ng Ateneo and Tigers. And let's see, kailangan pa ng isang puntos ng Ateneo to extend the set number 1. Or let's see if Tigers can end it right now.
Again, Baluyot Serves that one, Estrella, back set to Malates, soft touch but outside. And look at that, Ateneo Volleyball team extending this set number 1, 24-all. Wow, kumapit itong side ng Ateneo Volleyball team. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito ng kanilang kupunan, starting this set with powerful attacks, and this one, naitabla pa natin ang ating scoreboard. Estrella, combination play, ball is still alive. Baluyot, pipe attack, boy pa rin, and the combination play from Estrella and Malate, using that middleman to decoy.
Buhay na buhay yung mga fans dito sa loob ng Holy Rosary Minor Seminary because of this game. What a good way para sa ating pinaka-last game ngayong araw na to. 24-25, just 1 point for Tigers men's volleyball team. And again, we are tied at 25. Another extension for our set number 1. 25-all. What a game between Ateneo and Tigers men's volleyball team.
And look at that team. Quick couple of substitution on the side of the Tigers volleyball team. Yung mga veterans ipinasok dito to close this set number 1. Pero hindi papayag ang Ateneo, but on that last sequence, service error, crucial service error coming from Gonzaga.
Now, no room for errors dito para sa Ateneo and Tigers because this is their decision point. Good save. Barredo losing it. And again, for the third time, I guess, another deadlock for the set. 26-all. Another extension. Raised to 28. Now jersey number 6. Luzon to serve. No room for errors for this both teams. Running attack, but straight through the net. Ateneo volleyball team just 1 point away on getting the first set here. Hindi ba po ito yung 5th set or 3rd set? This is just the first set. Papakita lang na talagang ready itong dalawang kupunan.
Now Estrella, kanino ibibigay? Combination play. Ball is still alive. And Ateneo securing set number 1 para dito sa ating laro. Wow, starting this set with a great spike and great defense, and ending this set number 1 with this clutch game. Congratulations on winning this set number 1. We'll be right back for our set number 2 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Dolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tigers Cafe, and Lemon Residences.
And we are back for the second set of this much intense matchup of Tigers men's volleyball team and Ateneo men's volleyball team. What an intense set number one we've watched earlier. It ended with 28-26 in favor of Ateneo men's volleyball team. Who would have thought na ganito po yung magiging first set ng dalawang kupunan na ito? Napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila. Well, naging consistent din naman dito yung Ateneo men's volleyball team. They started the first set with a good bang. And then, siguro sa gitna, doon nga nahirapan dito yung Ateneo Golden Knights nung humabol na yung Tigers men's volleyball team. But at the same time, tinapos din naman nila ng napakaganda. And now with the second set, as you can see, first point po mapupunta sa side ng Ateneo men's volleyball team. And nakikita nga po natin yung mga players on the side of Tigers. Andito na si Nandero, Otero, Pamplona Estrella para magyan tayo ng napakagandang laban.
And now, we are all tied up at 1 point. So again, nabanggit mo kanina yung strong start on the side of Ateneo. And sila din ang nakukuha ng unang puntos para di sa ating pangalawang set. And this time, NCF Almero to serve. Sabater setting up in the middle. Medyo mababa yung release ng bola. That's why nahirapan dito yung middle attacker on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. So 1 point lead on the side of Tigers. At straight to the net. Service error para kay Almero.
Now we are tied on 2-all para dito sa ating second set. Sain now to serve. Now that's the service error coming from Sain of Ateneo men's volleyball team. Now no room for errors para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito because as we can see, it is an intense matchup. But right now, para makahingi tayo ng update on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights if magiging consistent ba sila for our second set, andyan si Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Rick. A resounding one big fight from the Ateneo Golden Knights during the first set of the game. Despite the lead of Rolling Tigers during the first minutes of the matchup, they still showcase the Ateneo Golden Knights spirit with their heart to put excellence, resulting to the team bouncing back and winning the first set of the game. Paalala lang kanilang coaches sa mga susunod na sets, make sure to be consistent and sustain the fire. Yan lang muna sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Tin.
And thank you so much, Ali, for that update. And speaking of consistency, kailangan talaga maging consistent dito on the side of Ateneo. And look at that defense. Consistent, strong defense. On point para dito sa Ateneo. Otero will give up a free ball. Now chance on the side of Ateneo to score. Pero payong na payong ang depensa on the side of the Tigers volleyball team. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Barredo and Pamplona tag team on that defense on the side of the Tigers volleyball team. Now, Otero ready now to serve and to hear an update on the side of the Tigers volleyball team. Let's call our courtside reporter, Dylan. Hi Dylan, kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Determinado ang mga Tigers na makakuha kaagad ng puntos. The team strengthened their communication and connection while inside the hard court. Isa nga sa weapon ng team ang mga batang players who are energetic and hungry in winning the matchup. However, the team struggles to maintain their composure and energy inside the court. Coach Bon reminded the players to just relax and focus to their roles. Dikit na dikit ang naging habulan ng puntos ng two teams. Due to some errors ang miscommunication inside the court, the team loses the first set for this matchup. The team are now more determined to win this second set. Patuloy na tutukan ang tagisan ng talino at liksi dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that report. Now, consistency on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. Communication din yung kailangan nila dito. And though they struggled on that first set, maganda pa rin yung pinakita dito ng Tigers men's volleyball team. And now, they need to bounce back for second set because looking at our score right now, ginagawa na nila yun sa pagsimula pa lang ng ating second set. 7-3 on our scoreboard. 4 na po agad yung nailamang dito ng Tigers men's volleyball team. But the defense of Ateneo Golden Knights, kitang-kita din naman natin the improvement on their side is sa mga good thing na nangyari dito sa side ng Ateneo.
Sabater, back set to jersey number 4. And puntos on their side with that net violation committed on the side of Tigers. Now, the connection between Sabater and Baluyot together with Luzon, talagang kitang-kita on the side of the Ateneo volleyball team. Let's see kung patuloy ba itong gagana dito. Meanwhile, Tigers looking for a point here. Baredo, bantay sarado dito ang depensa. Estrella, quick set para dito kay Baredo. Napakabilis ng play na yon on that last sequence.
Now, 8-4 on our scoreboard here. Pamplona. Serve. 4 na puntos lamang hawak ng Tigers men's volleyball team. And Baredo, tinapik lang doon sa taas. Another point conversion for Tigers.
Looking at Baredo, yung height talaga dito, yung malaking factor para makita niya kung saan idadala yung bola on the side of Ateneo. Sabater, great connection. Ball is still alive. Gagawa ng paraan dito ni Almero. And with that broken play, point conversion ang nagawa ng kanilang kupunan.
I think this is the biggest gap of Tigers men's volleyball team for this set number 2, 10-4. Good start for them. Now, we're still looking at that point of Ateneo Golden Knights here. And on that last sequence, a service error from Tigers. Kaya bonus point yung ibibigay dito sa side ng Ateneo. Now, let's see here. Jersey number 10. Gonzaga to serve.
Estrella, great pancake save. But someone touches the net. Very crucial para dito sa side ng Ateneo volleyball team na mag-commit ng errors because at this set number 2 sila po yung naghahabol. 11-5 is our score.
Now, consistency is what the Ateneo Golden Knights needs right now. But after that sequence, another point conversion here for the side of Ateneo. But still, they're struggling here. 11-6 sa ating scoreboard. Jersey number 15 now. Gabrito.
Great serve. Almero will try. Makakakuha ng puntos. Cross-court hit was good para dito kay Almero on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. 12-6 is our score. On deck to serve, Estrella. Great receive coming from Belhica. Ball is still alive. Free ball ang ibibigay dito sa side ng Tigers. Wow. The combination play. Ito yung nagiging effective on the side of Tigers. Talagang hindi ito nababasa on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. Kanina pa successful dito yung mga ginagawang combination plays para dito sa side ng Tigers. Estrella, powerful serve. Setting up Otero and someone touched the net on the side of Ateneo. Jersey number 9, Sain. 14-6 is our score at mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang side ng Ateneo volleyball team because they are down para dito sa ating pangalawang set.
And the good thing para dito sa ating Tigers men's volleyball team, once nasimulan nila ng maganda yung laro nila, tuloy-tuloy na yung ipapakita nila dito. So yun yung kailangan na tingnan at talagang laruin ng Ateneo Golden Knights dito. How will they make sure na magiging consistent din yung kanilang magiging laro dito? Most especially that the first set, napakaganda ng kanilang pinakita nilang performance. And now for the second set, it is on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. The momentum is on their side with a score 14-6. Now Australia with that strong serve.
Look at that, Tin. Talagang kargado dito yung service ni Estrella on the side of Tigers. Ito yung kailangan ditong i-work out on the side of Ateneo. The first ball para makakreate sila ng play, and again, back-to-back services para dito kay Estrella. And of course, Tin, this league is not possible without our dearest sponsors. We have the PLDT, Hardshed, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Naga College Foundation, Kamsur Eye Center, DLP Naga, Digital Graphics, and Claypot Restaurant and Cafe. Thank you so much po for supporting this league.
Now NCF Tigers, a lot of straight points here, 17-6. Walo na lamang yung hinihintay nila para makuha yung pangalawang set dito. And we are going to tie one set apart para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. 17-6 on our scoreboard. And that will be a service error. Now, 10-point lead ng Tigers men's volleyball team dito. Now, hindi natin nakikita yung kaninang ginawa na depensa, strong attack of Ateneo Golden Knights here. So, the fans still waiting for that kind of gameplay na pinakita nila during the first set, 18-7 on our scoreboard.
Yan yung sabi nga dito ng kanilang head coach na maging consistent sa kanilang game plan and gameplay dito sa larong ito. Yun yung medyo kulang ngayon sa ating pangalawang set on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team. Estrella, back set to Malate. Ball is still alive. And a great attack. Cross-court hit coming from Cabral on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team. Great side out para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
Still a double-digit lead of Tigers men's volleyball team. Now jersey number 9 serving. Combination play. And Tigers gets it again, extending the gap here.
Those decoy play talagang nalilito at nadadala yung blockers on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team. Very good setup on the side of Tigers men's volleyball. But this time, depensa naman ang ibabawi on the side of Ateneo.
Still 99. Hindi mo mababa yung kalamangan dito ng Tigers men's volleyball team. Now Ateneo Golden Knights still have an opportunity here to lessen that gap. But right on cue, another error on their side. So bonus point para dito sa Tigers men's volleyball team. They're just 5 points away on getting that second set.
Malate on your screen, serving. Sabater in the middle. Pero hindi dito pumasok yung atake on the side of their team. So another point was converted on the side of Tigers. 21-9 is our score. Dito naman sa ating pangalawang set, team, talagang kumawala dito yung offense at defense on the side of Tigers.
You can really see the difference right now with the gameplay of Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero nagkakapunto sila dito dahil din sa mga error ng Tigers men's volleyball team. So they need to lessen that. And at this point, 21-10, an 11-point lead of Tigers men's volleyball team. Now let's see here, jersey number 4, Baluyot. Another error on the side of Ateneo. Now, we can't really count how many errors are there on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. They need to lessen that because NCF Tigers or Tigers men's volleyball team 3 more points to snatch the second set, but through the blockers itong puntos ng Ateneo Golden Knights coming from the zone.
Breaks down the wall on the side of Tigers. Now yun yung kulang ngayon tin on the side of Ateneo. Those powerful attack and powerful serve. Jersey number 10 Gonzaga on that services.
Now 22-12, 2 points straight coming from Ateneo Golden Knights, 12-22. Oh, walang bantay sa likod ng Tigers men's volleyball team. And that is an opportunity for Ateneo. And right now, ito yung hinihintay natin na makita for the second set. At ngayon pa lang nila pinapakita. 22-13. There's still there a chance to snatch the second set, but Barredo kinuha naman agad yung puntos dyan. 23-13, back to 10-point lead of Tigers men's volleyball team.
Now, Barredo to serve. Sabater, back set to Luzon. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Free ball will be given on the side of Ateneo. Sabater on his middle. Buhay pa rin. Almero, soft touch. And this time, gumana ang attacking yon on the side of Tigers volleyball team.
At dahil nga dyan, Rick, set point na para dito sa Tigers men's volleyball team, 24-13. Isang puntos na lamang para sa kanila. And they will have 1 set. And that's an ace coming from Barredo, ending the set number 2, 25-13. What a consistent gameplay coming from Tigers men's volleyball team para dito sa ating second set. And right now, ano kaya yung gagawin pa dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights to snatch the third set? So let's see kung ano pa bang ipaghahanda, ano pa ba yung babaguhin sa strategy ng dalawang kupunan. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, 𝐏𝐶B Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, and Residences.
At nagbabalik po tayo para sa Oragon Volleyball League Season 1 matchup between the Tigers men's volleyball team versus Ateneo volleyball team. We are now tied with 1 set apiece. 28-26 from our set 1 and 25-13 on our set number 2. And this time, sino ang makakakuha ng isang set advantage para dito sa dalawang kupunan? Nakita natin na on that last set, talagang napakaganda ng ipinakita ditong defense and offense pattern on the side of Tigers. And on the other side of things, the Ateneo kinapos sa kanilang defense and opensa, but getting this first blood para dito sa ating pangatlong set. service ace ang ibibigay on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team. Sabater to serve. And back-to-back points on the side of Ateneo. So what would be the adjustment on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team? And to know more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter Dylan. Hi Dylan, anong update dyan?
Nanggigil ang Tigers na may panalo ang second set to their shortcomings sa first set. The team made sure that they have the presence of mind while playing inside the court. Naging maganda ang naging strategy ng team nang ipasok ang lahat ng key players sa second set, focusing on retrieving their momentum. Coach Bon reassured the team na kayang-kaya pang bumawi and also reminded that the team to focus on their strategy and techniques. Despite the odds, the Tigers managed to retrieve their momentum with their eagerness and faith. Will the Tigers continue their momentum or opponent will take it away once again? Tutukan natin dito ang tagisan ng galing at talino sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Dylan. Ayan nga, naging maganda yung performance dito ng Tigers men's volleyball team during the second set of the game. And right now, pagpasok ng ating third set, well, palitan na ng puntos itong Ateneo and Tigers men's volleyball team. So right now, consistency is the key for this both team. Kasi kung kanina, first set nasa Ateneo, second set, it's on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. Kaya ngayon, titignan natin kung ito nga bang set na to makukuha ulit ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And to hear an update, dyan si Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita natin dyan?
Bicolandia, you are still watching Oragon Volleyball League only here in GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. With the Ateneo's effort to continue their peat, they managed to give the Tigers a good fight for the second set of this matchup. The second set may have favored the Tigers, but the burning fire of the Ateneo Golden Knights still lingers, making them extra motivated to win the succeeding sets. The game plan for the next sets is to minimize errors and make every opportunity count. Don't hesitate to attack, relax at bawasan ang gigil. Ika nga ng kanilang teammate na kitang-kita na kayang sumabay at ipanalo ng Ateneo ang larong ito. Yan muna sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much Ali para sa update on the side of Ateneo. So yun nga, napakinggan nga natin dito, they need to minimize their error and maximize their strong attacks and great defense to even the match para dito or makalamang ng isang set para dito sa ating laro. Now, as we can see, great defense for both teams, but unfortunately, medyo mababa yung set and hindi nagawan dito ng paraan ni Gonzaga.
But as we can observe, bumalik ulit yung ganda ng laro dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Ito yung naging kailangan nila o ito yung naging kulang nila during that second set. And right now, ito yung nakikita natin. But again, another point conversion on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. But still, the third set, very close fight for these two teams. So, yung laban na lang dito, pabawasan na lang ng error, strong attacks, and good floor defense. And through the blockers para dito kay jersey number 6, Luzon. Buhay ulit yung mga fans dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights as we are tied on 5-all. Now, Tigers nakahanap ng butas dito. Side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. But before anything else, shoutout lang natin tong ating mga live viewers kay Jaron Floyd San Andres, kay JC Ganiform, kay Myra Paz Luzon, Mick Way John, at kay Lindsay Saya Sandagon, kay Kim Monteroso, at kay Mary Bless Eliza Balan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
The volleyball action continues as the Ateneo volleyball team get a point on that last sequence coming from a strong cross-court hit. Wow! Buhay na naman ulit dito yung Ateneo volleyball team at dikit na naman tayo para dito sa ating set na ito. 6-all. Gonzaga to serve. using the tip of the net. Pero nice reaction on the side of Tigers. And unfortunately, Sabater touching the net para dito sa side ng Ateneo. So, nakikita natin, Tina, nagkakaroon dito ng rally between these two teams na talaga namang yun yung kina-excite at kina-enjoy ng mga manonood inside this venue. And ang napapansin ko din dito on the side of Ateneo team is napapabayaan nila yung end line.
Yes.
That's why a lot of service aces ang ibibigay or nakukuha dito on the side of Tigers.
So they really need to check every space of the court right now. Jersey number 8, free ball bibigay dito sa Tigers. Quick attack for Tigers. Effective yon. Now, big 3-point lead yung hawak na po the Tigers men's volleyball team.
Sabater, good intention but poor execution on that last sequence. Napalakas yung 1-2 play para dito kay Sabater. Now, Tigers to serve another service ace on the side of their team. Sunod-sunod nga dito ang pinapakawalang heavy serves para sa Tigers. Pamplona again. Sabater. And his middle blocker, bantay sarado. 12-6 is our score. Dito na naman yung continuous momentum na hawak on the side of Tigers na kailangang baliin dito on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team. Luzon will try. But unfortunately, a double contact violation was called on the side of Ateneo. So, another free point para dito sa kanilang opponent na Tigers. Sabater, back set, pababawin si Luzon. One hand dig coming from Pamplona. Malate on the back. We have a rally here. Soft touch, bantay sarado. Luzon on the other side of court, but too strong on that attack. So another point will go on the side of Tigers, and a timeout was called on the side of Ateneo because again, Tigers volleyball team patuloy na nagkakaroon dito ng point conversion. 14-6 is our score. And a quick shout out on our live viewers. Shout out po kay Rafael Roy Raico, kay Aljan Adayo, Jane Villagomez at kay Sheena Villagomez. Thank you so much po and happy watching. Pamplona on deck to serve. Luzon breaks down the wall para dito sa Ateneo. Kailangan na kailangan yung opensang yon ni Luzon on the side of their team to boost their morale inside the court and gain the momentum back on their side. Combination play. Great dig. And now, Baluyot, or rather Cabral, getting a point on the side of Ateneo. 2 straight points after the timeout on the side of their team. So this is a good sign. But service error para dito kay Luzon. Again, you cannot afford to commit an error kasi kayo yung naghahabol dito para sa ating set number 3. And now, Tigers to serve. Sabater, back set, running attack coming from Sain. Ball is still alive. And off the block hit coming from Jersey number 5, Blanca on the side of Tigers. So back-to-back points din ang babawiin dito on the side of Tigers. Sabater to Baluyot, or rather Cabral, but it doesn't cross the net. 4 touches violation was called on their side.
Now 8:17 on our scoreboard. That's a big gap of Tigers men's volleyball team. They're just 8 points away on getting the third set and having an advantage to win their first game tonight. Grabe din talaga itong mga atake ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 9:17. What a good matchup we have here tonight. Now jersey number 8. Sabater serving.
Malate. Walang kumuha on the side of Ateneo sa pipe attack na yon ni Malate on the side of Tigers.
Ito yung kailangan bantayan ng Ateneo Golden Knights, yung mga butas laging nahahanap dito ng NCF or ng Tigers men's volleyball team. And right now, once again, Australia will check in para dito sa Tigers men's volleyball team. Nung nakita nga natin during second set and first set, pasok pa lang ni Australia, maganda na agad yung kanyang pagpuntos dito. Now, his presence inside the court is a big impact for Tigers men's volleyball team. Now, let's see Australia serving. And that's an ace. This is just like the scene from the first set, I guess. We're in Australia, pagpasok, a lot of aces here. Now, 9:19, that's a 10 big point lead of Tigers. Another strong serve. Pero, jersey number 7 babawi para sa Ateneo, that's Cabral.
But unfortunately, net violation was called on the side of Ateneo, so the point conversion will go on the side of Tigers. And again, on your screen, Estrella serving. And look at that heavy serve. Pinapahirapan dito yung side ng Ateneo. And again, back-to-back points from the side of Tigers. 21-9 is our score. Substitution para dito sa Tigers. And also on the side of Ateneo, they are mixing players and see kung ano bang effective rotation para dito sa side ng kani-kanilang kupunan. But again, when it comes to consistency, Estrella is very much effective when it comes to serving.
22-9. Tatlong puntos na lamang po para sa Tigers men's volleyball team, and they will get to set number 3 and an opportunity to end it sa set number 4. But let's see. Ateneo Golden Knights nagpapakita dito ng magandang laban. Australia once again to serve. Ooh, another ace coming from him. Grabe si Australia. That's, I think, 3 or more straight points. Australia once again.
And look at that. Coming from that beautiful serve, regalo naman dito sa side ng kanilang kupunan. Wow. Everything goes well on the side of the Tigers men's volleyball. Set point ng kanilang kupunan, but this time, service error naman para dito kay Australia. Ball is still alive. Free ball will be given on the side of Tigers. Otero getting a point para dito sa side ng Tigers. And that's the end of our set number 3. Tigers winning the set at 25-10 is our final score. We will be back for our 4th set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, 𝐎𝐏𝐶 Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Rolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tigers Cafe, and Lemon Residences.
And we are back here sa loob ng ating venue for our OVL Season 1. Nasa 4th set na nga tayo at nakakuha na ng 2 sets itong Tigers Men's Volleyball. And let's see kung dito sa ating 4th set talagang makakahabol dito ang side ng Ateneo Volleyball team. So let's see. On your screen is our set 1 up to set number 3 scores for these both teams.
Now, 2 set na po ang meron ang Tigers Men's Volleyball Team at 1 set na lamang para sa kanila para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo ngayon. But on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, it's a good matchup for them dahil hindi man sila naging consistent every set, but at least they're trying their best. Ang gaganda din ng mga atakang ibinibigay nila dito against Tigers Men's Volleyball Team. Saan yung ating court? But of course, we would like to shout out all our supporters na nandito po sa loob ng Holy Rosary Minor Seminary. Dahil nga po, hanggang ngayon, pinapanood niyo pa po ang ating live coverage dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And to hear an update from the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Rick. During the early minutes of the game, the Ateneo Golden Knights succumbed to the fierce growling Tigers. However, they remained motivated, resulting to a back-to-back point. During the timeout, their head coach pointed out that communication and presence of mind is the key in order to alter their defeat into victory. Huwag panghinaan ng loob and remain consistent. Kayang-kayang humabol. Yan lang muna sa ngayon. Back to you, Tin and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ali, for that update. So yun nga, it's not yet over on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team. So talagang kailangan dito yung kanilang eagerness to win. They need to double their effort if they want to extend this into 5th set. And right now, nakikita natin dito yung depensang napakaganda, but unfortunately, kinapos on that push on the side of their team.
Now, that's 3 straight points coming from Tigers Men's Volleyball Team. 3-0 nothing run. And now, another opportunity for Tigers Men's. Jersey number 8, bibigay dito. Now, Malarte getting that point. And now to hear an update from the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. Andyan po si Dylan. Hi Dylan, ano mga update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. In this third set, goal ng Tigers na ma-maintain ang momentum sa kanilang team. With their defense and offense, nagpapatunay na sila ay may galing at talino. Reminder ni Coach Bon na magtiwala sa isa't isa at mas palakasin ang kanilang communication inside the court. Payo din ni Coach sa senior players to guide their junior members. Players maintain their energy and composure while playing harder, strengthening their attacks and blocks. Mas nag-apoy ang Tigre na makapuntos, nanggigigil at nagiinit ang determinasyon ng bawat team to make their community proud. Well, they continue their momentum on their side. Yan ang patuloy nating tututukan dito lang sa tagisan ng talino at galing sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Dylan, on that update. So yun, one set na lamang kailangan dito ng Tigers team to finally get their first win para dito sa ating first ever Oragon Volleyball League Season 1.
5-2 on our scoreboard here. Now, serving. Jersey number 8. Bibigay dito kay Luzon.
One more time. And a great defense. Nero setting up Pamplona. Wow, Pamplona with that powerful tip. And now, 60 is our score. Sain on deck to serve. Seven-3 is our score. And Otero on deck to serve. Sabater, one-hand set. Nagawa ng paraan dito. Malate, rejected at the net, pero nagawan din ng paraan, buhay pang bola. Ateneo will give up a free ball. Combination play, 𝐵𝐿𝐻𝐿𝐿 with that great dig. Wow, Ateneo's defense. But this time, Malate making sure na tusok yung kanyang cross-court hit. 8-3 is our score. And 𝐵𝐿𝐻𝐿𝐻 nagkaroon natin ng cramps on the side of Ateneo, hoping that this is not a serious injury on the side of their team. And syempre, mag-shoutout naman tayo, Tin, sa ating mga loyal viewers na up until now, talaga namang nakatutok para dito sa ating OVL Season 1. Shoutout dito kay Joshua Tanay Alanes, Marifi Paz Gomamis, kay Lawrence Labay, Alexander Benito, kay James Gabarda, Janayla Basalas, at kay Jameson Barenya, together with Kim Monteroso. Thank you so much and happy watching.
And of course, kay RJ Ribadorial, kay Irene Toso, kay Marniela Berido, kay JM Jacob, kay Eugene Nueva, at kay Cristina Valenzuela. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay ngayong gabing ito. Now, 8-4. Pamplona, or Barredo rather, with that point. Now, 9-4 on our scoreboard. 5-point lead ng Tigers men's volleyball team para dito sa ating fourth set. Yes. Now, Tigers men's volleyball team, they just need consistency for this set to win. And another point conversion. Overreaching. Lifting for the side of Ateneo Golden Knights.
Point on the side of Ateneo Volleyball team. Too strong on that serve para dito kay Malate. And now 10-5 is our score. Again, this is not yet over on the side of Ateneo. Just 5 more points to tie this match. Or this set rather. But Barredo hindi papayag dito on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. Wow, very quick on that last sequence. And a timeout was called para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan to settle things up. And let's see after this timeout kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang momentum all throughout this set. And syempre, habang hindi pa nagbabalik sa ating hard court ang ating mga players, let's shout out again all the live viewers. Some live viewers na nakatutok sa atin ngayong araw na ito. Shout out po kay JM Nazareno, Justine John Salcedo, at kay Justine Danielle Salazar. Thank you so much po for your support and happy watching. Back to the ball game. Baluyot ginawa ng paraan. Miscommunication. Chance on the side of Ateneo to have a score. Luzon. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Nero with that recovery. Pamplona. Itatawid ang bola. We have a rally here, but Almero making sure that makakakuha dito ng puntos ang kanilang kupunan at gusto nang tapusin dito on the side of Tigers ang larong ito. 12-5 is our score.
Now Pamplona to serve.
Ball is still alive. Tigers on the attack, and again Barredo with 2 consecutive powerful quick hit para dito sa side ng ating Tigers men's volleyball. Wow, the connection though between the setter and the middle blocker. Ateneo, they need to strengthen their defense and offense at this moment because again, nakakita natin dito na they're struggling when it comes to their first ball. That's why hindi sila nagkakaroon ng play para sa ating set na ito. 14-5. And with that service error, 14-6 is our scoreboard. Chance on the side of Ateneo team to create a play and convert a point para dito sa ating fourth set. Now Gonzaga serving. Unfortunately, another crucial error was committed on their side. With that service error, madadagdagan dito ng isang puntos ang kanilang kalaban. 15-6 is our score.
But with that, an error para dito kay Barredo. 15-7, but still the momentum is on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. But still, Tigers or the Ateneo Golden Knights naghahanap pa dito ng pagkakataon na makapagpuntos and to extend the game up until the last set. Jersey number 6 now. No. Miscommunication on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. And that point will go on to the side of Ateneo, 15-8. But still, that's a 7-point gap of Tigers. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba dito ang pagpuntos ng Tigers or ng Ateneo rather. No. Ateneo to try. Miscue again. No, another error for the side of Tigers. No. Ngayon, nahuling set na lang para sa Tigers men's volleyball team. No room for error para sa kanila dito, but still they're enjoying the game. That's a good thing for Tigers men's volleyball team. They're not pressuring, but at the same time giving us a good fight here. Now, 69 para dito sa ating scoreboard. Ball still alive here. One more time for Ateneo. Through the blockers. And the fans of Ateneo, kahit late na, andito pa rin po sa Holy Rosary Minor Seminary para panoodin ang laro ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 8, serving. Again, 16-10 on our scoreboard. Ibigay dito on the other side. But that will be an outside. So, a bonus point para dito sa Ateneo. Mukhang hahabulin pa ng Ateneo Golden Knights yung puntos ng Tigers men's volleyball team for this 4th set. Soft touch here, but still, hindi nagawa ng paraan ng Ateneo. Now, Tigers, 17-11. Jersey number 17 serving right now.
Again on your screen, Almero serving. Sabater, back set to Cabral but denied at the net. So point will go on the side of Tigers. 18-11 is our score. One more time for Almero. And a substitution team on the side of Ateneo. 16 in on the side of their team. Great serve. And with that, free ball ang ibibigay sa Tigers. Another combination play. Pero nakuha ito ng Ateneo. Back on their side. Otero with that quick hit. So wiping the ball and getting a score on the side of their team.
Now they're just 6 points away and getting the 4th set, 19-11. Now let's see here. Jersey number 17, Almero rather, but straight through the net. A very crucial error for their team. Ngayon, na konti na lang. 19-12. Ateneo still have an opportunity here. Jersey number 9. Now, kanina nakita natin yung consistency on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights from our first set. And then go downwards with the second set. Then balik na naman for the third set. Kaya paulit-ulit sinasabi dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights with Coach Hoson na consistency yung kailangan ng kanyang kupunan dito and less error for their team. But still, they are enjoying the game here. 20-12. And nakitaan dito ng butas sa side ng Tigers men's volleyball team. Barredo with that strong attack. And with that, they're just down to 4 points to end this game against Ateneo Golden Knights here. Of course, it's a long day for everyone here. At ang dami pa rin pong nanonood sa atin sa live ng Facebook and YouTube. And Ateneo getting that point. They're still fighting up until the end here, 21-14. That's a 7-point lead of Tigers. Now, jersey number 4, Baluyot. Pero miscommunication here between the setter and his attackers. They're giving free points right now with their errors. Once again, Baluyot. Crucial error para dito sa Ateneo. Now na sila yung naghahabol dito. Kailangan nilang talagang trabahuhin yung puntos na kalamangan dito ng Tigers na Pamplona. Strong coverage here. One more time. Ateneo straight through the net. (23-15), 2 puntos na lamang po para sa Ateneo or sa Tigers men's volleyball team rather. Now let's see. Will they end it now? An attack coming from Ateneo. And it's still on. 23-16. Again, Tigers is just 2 points away on getting their first win tonight. Let's see.
Enciso to Almero, and this time match point on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team, 24-16. Ateneo on the attack. Rejected at the net, and with that, Tigers men's volleyball team winning this match against Ateneo volleyball team in 4 sets, 25-16. Don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Anggot na pati ang anong...
Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, 𝐏𝐶 Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, OBL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Powered by PLDT. Presented by DLP Printing Services, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Safe Gas Station, Daily Gold Philippines, Cancer Eye Center, Uma Hotel Plus Residences, Agala Glass, Naga Optical, Kanakman Vice Mayor JJ Abante, University of Santo Tomas Legazpi, AD Sportswear and Apparel, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Respol Dental Clinic, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supply, BCC Lloyd Supermart, Massive Builders System Incorporated, Carmelos, Just Brew, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Bad Guys, Chicken Run Boneless Fried Chicken, Motomo TV, Dolcas Construction and Supply, Digital Graphics Advertising, AAT Ads, Jag Sportswear, Tigers Cafe, and Lemon Residences.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Once again, the Tigers men's volleyball team proves that they are undoubtedly has the qualities of being a champion. So ngayon makakasama natin ang best player of the game from the winning team, Edmark Pamplona. So Pamplona, congratulations. So ang katanungan ay ano ba yung naging weapon nyo at sa team para maipanalo ang matchup for today?
Yung chemistry po, medyo nag-struggle po at may kasamang juniors po pero kinaya po. And sa training lang po, yung training lang namin is match up lang po sa juniors and sana sa sunod galingan pa po. Yan lang po.
So sino ang mga naging inspirasyon mo as a player for today's matchup?
Yung mga naging inspirasyon ko po is yung mga magulang ko and yung mga teammates ko na nagsusuporta and yun lang po.
Thank you and congratulations, Mr. Pamplona. So there you have it, Rick and Tin. Tigers proves that they have the qualities of being a champion. Once again, I am Dylan Valenciano Talagtag, reporting on the side of Tigers men's volleyball team.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game, Edmark Pamplona from the side of Tigers men's volleyball team. At isang magandang araw po ang ating napanood. Kumpleto na po ang lahat ng teams para sa ating Oragon Volleyball League. And of course, aabangan niyo pa po kami next week para sa panibagong mga laro. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV kasama ng inyong mga commentators. I am 𝐻𝐿 Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta, and abangan ang mga susunod pang matches dito sa first season ng Oragon Volleyball League, only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present 𝐕𝐻𝐿 Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Maggaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Knights, 𝐏𝐿 Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, 𝐼𝐈𝐊, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, 𝐕𝐻𝐿 Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1.